Welcome to Tejas Motors, home of a totally different kind of car buying experience.
Introducing the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Thanks for viewing our video. If you have any questions, look us up on our website at tejasmotors.com.